Let's play some fun games of phonics so that your child engage with learning activity or screen-free games. Let's start. Game number 1 is sound hunt. Any letter came in your mind, like B. What's the sound of B? B. Ask your child to find things at home that starts with B. The sound of B is B. It may be ball, bed, book, bottle, anything. Same with other letters like K, P, S, U, V, any letter of English alphabet. You can use all one by one letters. This will create a fun environment at your home, and child should learn so much without loading the bundles of studies, because learning with fun and excitement is perfect combo. Game number 2, make a flashcards. Make a flashcards of different blend words and ask your child to make pairs of same blend word. And at the end of the game, everyone should read that word, whatever they have in their hands. Like a child can pick a flashcard, written in that flashcard clear blend, CL clear. Now you should ask the child to pick all the clear flashcards and at the end read all the words written in the bottom of that flashcards, like clear clap, clear clay, clever, all these words written in that flashcard. And if the child should pick CR blend, they have to pair all the blend flashcards, and at the end of the game they have to read all the words like CR crow, CR cry, crisis, all these CR words. So at the end of the game, kids should read all the words and he or she should know very well about the concept of blend words or sound words. Concept about all the blend words will be definitely clear. You can also make a flashcards of synonymous, antonyms, anything, any topic related to their curriculum. Game number 3, rhyme time. Make a list of different sound words in a paper and tell your child to write words with same rhyme or same sound word. Like you should write cat and child should write bat. You write man, child have to write van. Child should sound the word first, then only they make words of same sound or same rhyme word. They can be list of these type of words like man, can, cake, lake, clay, play. You can also refer to my rhyming word video. I'll post the link in the detail section. Game number 4 is bingo. In this game, you have to make a list of sound words in a rectangular sheet paper, like sheet of a tambola game. Call the one sound word and tell your child to cross all that words with the same sound. Like you call CH word chair. You have to tell your child to cross all the CH words like child, champ, chat, children, cheat, cheap, chop, like these. The advantage of this game, the child should sound the word first. Then only he decide which word they have to cross or which word they have to leave the sheet paper. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.